Paramecium. In yesterday lecture, we have done the general features of the parameciums. Now, the interesting thing of this digestive system is its ingestion first, which is the process of ingestion, which is quite interesting and different from the other protozoans and even other lower invertebrates. Digestion is also very important. They have the also different structures or functioning as compared to other lower animals, and especially from the animals which are in your slavine, that is paramecium, little bit different and tough also. First is the yesterday we have done this food, how the food is digested in this oral groove path. This is total oral groove. This oral groove, yesterday we have done. Again, I am revising you. Here is present the peristomium. And then is vestibule, or there are present vestibular cilias. After that, there is a buccal
cavity.
After the buccal cavity, there is present cytopharynx. Or this is food vacuole, last part of the cytopharynx is food vacuole. The food vacuole is formed by the last part of the cytopharynx. First is peristomium, from where the water as well as food which they take enter into the peristomium. Here are present the number of cilia which filter the large particles remain there, and small particles they enter into this vestibule. This vestibule is equivalent to this part. This part means before the teeth part of our body, that is called the vestibule. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੰਦ ਖਾਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਸਟੀਕੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਅਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਕੀ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾ digestive juice, saliva. Same like here, where the food entered filtered through this peristome, then this food enter into the vestibule. Here the vestibular cilia, they again filter the food by forming a sieve-like structure. Sieve की होगी छाननी, जिधर चाप होनी होती है. That filter the water that is passes inside, plus small particle means microorganisms. They enter through this vestibular cilia in the vestibule. After that, this enter into the buccal
Cavity.
Again, buccal cilia, they again filter the food, or that they enter into the cytopharynx. Cytopharynx, they contain the three main rows of the cilia: quadrillus, lateral quadrillus, and dorsal. Three rows of cilia. Above each row has, let it be quadrillus, that further has 3 or 4 rows of cilia. There are sub-cilia row in each main ciliary segment, like ventral quadrillus, that contain number of rows many rows of cilia. Now, what is the function of these cilia? One function is to filter the food. Second function is with the rotation of the cilia, the mechanical action that is also done by these cilia, they break down the food into smaller pieces so that they become more micro level. जिस तरह साढ़े मुंह च ਅਸੀਂ ਦੰਦਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਚਬਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਗੋਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾਓ this is the main elementary canal ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ but it is not a system there because paramecium is a single cell. These are the just parts which is in the shape of elementary canals. We name them as a elementary canal parts because they do the function. Which function that is done by these parts, which is same functions that is done in our bodies. That's why we give them the name. It is clear to everyone? Now, first portion is ingestion. That is quite interesting. Upon subject, we have seen the whirlpool. Have seen the whirlpool. It's Punjabi and Hindi naam pe ada ummankeri. ਘੁੰਮਣ ਘੇਰੀ ਸਮੁੰਦਰਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਤੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਘੇਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਔਰ ਪਾਣੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗੋਲ ਗੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੇਮ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ ਹੇਅਰ ਇਜ਼ there is beating of this peristomial cilia inward. Inward means toward the inner side of the paramecium body. Kede wale peristomial as well as vestibular cilia. They move inward. When they move inward, there is formation of vortex. There is starts of moving water rotating around the peristomia oral groove. They are continuously moving and there is an inward beating of the vestibular cilia. There is formation of this round structure and then the food particles they are moving inward. ਹੁਣ ਇੰਨੇ ਬੜਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲਸ ਵੀ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ because they take the algae or fungi. They can take the 2 million bacteria in a day. They are fond of that bacteria. Listen, they enter the food particles. The large food particles they remain outside because sieving act of the vestibular cilia. After this, small particles they enter into the vestibule. From peristome they enter into the vestibule part. From the vestibule, this food enter into the buccal cavity. After the buccal cavity, it is enter into the cytopharynx. Into the cytopharynx, where is present number of present of the picture in a rows of cilia. What the cilia do? They rotate and move the in opposite directions. Once one cilia moves this side, another moves rotate on second side. Or there is breakdown of food into smaller pieces या small particles या छोटे छोटे dotted parts. Then they enter into this last portion. That is There is starts of invagination. There is starts of imagination. This imagination, after then the opposite walls अंदर जानी शुरू होगी अभी अंदर को then it again move inside. When these membranes attaches with each other, and from here it is breakdown for this become the food vacuole और यह कितने चला जाएगा in the cytoplasm. This is clear. For this membrane again become complete. Again that process is started. Process of injection. It is a quite different and interesting in case of paramecium. है ना अलग जा बिल्कुल किसी से भी नहीं बनता और process of formation of food particle that is same जब खाना अंदर आ गया तो वो फिर भी बन जाएगा. Up to now food entered into the food vacuole like here is a it become food vacuole this atho detach हो गया ना atho ये आ गया food vacuole. Now second portion is digestion. Of course this food is inside the paramecium. So there is a intracellular digestion like amoeba that is takes place with the help of lysosomes. Now lysosome that is attached with the food vacuole. Now the movement of the food vacuole is of two types. One is O-shaped and another is egg-shaped. Egg-shaped. One is a O-shaped and another is egg-shaped. In case of this food vacuole is like here. Okay? Here attaches the lysosome. Here attaches the lysosome with it, which contain the digestive juice, or it become the one structure which contain digestive juice as well as food vacuole. Then this food vacuole, this digestive enzyme the digestive enzymes which is present in the lysosome, they start digesting this food which is present in the food vacuole. Digestion starts like first is जिस तरह साढ़े बोन्स दे विच salivary amylase. Here is starts of digestion started as a carbohydrate. Then पेट च गई तो केड़े वाली होनी है proteins. After entering the intestine, there is digestion start of the all the rest. Either it is a carbohydrate, proteins, or lipids or nucleic acids. That is all digested there. Digestion means larger particles. They are changed into simple forms like polycarbohydrate change into mono. Like polysaccharide change into monosaccharide, that is glucose. Proteins change into amino acids. Lipids change into fatty acids. Nucleic acid change into nucleotide and nucleosides. ठीक है? Here the digestion is takes place. It is clear in these all steps. Digestion is clear. Up to here, digestion is takes place. These all food which I have told you, the polysaccharide change into monosaccharide, that is glucose. Proteins change into amino simple amino acids. Lipids change into fatty acids. Then is nucleic acid change into nucleotide and nucleosides. After the digestion, next process is absorption. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗਲੂਕੋਜ਼ ਚ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ then this food moves to the cells from ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਲੇ intestine ਦੇ cells intestine ਦੇ cells ਤੋਂ it enter into the blood ਤੋਂ that is moved into the liver and stored there by the hepatic portal vein ठीक है ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ store ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ here this food is moving down ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ digestion is मतलब होगी then absorption of food is takes place this food is absorbed and become the part of the another cytoplasm next is assimilation now it become खाना खाना क्यों absorb क्यों करना इतनी एनर्जी क्यों चाहिए because respiration is one process then is formation of different structures from it है ना कोई भी पार्ट जरा टूट गया रथ गया अलग हो गया that is formed by these assimilating food absorption is there but when they become your part that is also very much important food when food is absorbed and then become assimilated its size is naturally decreasing because number of food that is absorbed from the food vacuole into the cytoplasm now moving this there this food vacuole which is filled with the undigested food which is not digested that remained there when they attaches with it जिस जगह को प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के नाल अटैच कर देंगे हैं at there this side outside the plasma membrane that is breakdown or undigested food is come out of the body. This is the one process. In this second case, in case of 8, digestion is like same process. Absorption is same process with the help of lysosome. Digestion is takes place. Absorption is there. Assimilation is there. But the path which is travelled by this food vacuole that is like this. This first moves this side, then this oral group. Okay, it moves on the above of the oral group, then moves upside, then moves downside, मतलब U shape बना देंगे, then cross it and move downward toward the slipper side, pointed side, and then under the slipper. सारे process होंगे रहते हैं stage. Then when it reaches here, same like that, under the food is come out of the body. It is clear why these two parts are there. Naturally, digestion was there, but in that case, they take the more time as compared to O shape. Clear, है ना? This time it is a more time, so that maximum digestion is takes place. If they remain there for a long time, maximum digestive juice is mixed and maximum digestion is takes place and maximum absorption is also takes place. So that less undigested food is come out of the body of the Paramecium. I think this system is Anybody want to any question? No question? Okay.